Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody the other day asked me how I got things to be moved over exactly alike. So if you were making a star with a little squiggle or even a hole in the star, and you wanted it to be exactly in the same spot on both sides, this is in the center of the page. Take a 2-point line, start moving it, and hold down the control button. And then hit P and put it in the center of the page. Delete all this stuff. Actually take away your line. Select all this. Control D, that made a duplicate. Then look for this double arrow right here. You would think it'd be on the star, but it's not. It's right here on the bounding box. And while holding down the control button, move it over. And as always, take your Smart Fill tool and fill it in. And then that way it's all joined together, and left click, right click, and you have an outline, and they're exactly symmetrical. So look for that double arrow when you're moving. Let me see if I can't zoom in here a little bit. It doesn't get any bigger, but there's a double arrow right there. That's how you would rotate it or move it over, by holding down the control button. Control makes things go equal and lateral and without moving it up and down. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.